katong na green na net.
Kanang construction pa. Na-green nga fence.
Rizal Drive and 8th Avenue. Saan eh? Ang libingan ng mga bayani kay klaro kayo sa SM Aura. Ay ibabaw. Ata na yung hotel bitaw.
For inquiries, please email me at boholanobroker@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cebu Bohol Homes, and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.
Yes.
We say, ito yung ano natin, destination place when you're in Manila, no? BGC area. Why? Because of course, it's part of the Central Business District of Metro Manila, and at the same time, dito yung may makakapunta tayo with parang vibe of LA. Or Vegas.
Or could be New York.
Maraming restaurants, maraming shopping malls.
I think the pattern is New York, di ba? Nag-tour tayo ni Ma'am Shah, hindi ba yung masters?
Papass through sa mga street. Ano kasi walkable community si BGC area.
Very, very.
So of course, given that you have the benefit of kumbaga walking distance sa mall and other food and beverage concepts or restaurants, yung what we call it, yung price or yung value ng property here in terms of the condominium development, nasa mga around 600 to 700 per square here in BGC.
Already.
Here in BGC for condo. Given that, of course, the Aurelia is yung kanyang concept is ultra luxury, high-end, ultra na luxury pa. So it speaks of course, yung very nice and luxury finishes. And then again, this is only 6 units to a floor. For each wing, you have 2 units only. It's either you're just unit A or your unit is ganun siya ka-exclusive. Okay, let's start with the vicinity map. Normally, of course, we discuss the central BGC district or area in which yun yung mga pinapasyalan, mga balikbayan, and of course, ng mga mga nearby places or yung mga pinupuntahan talaga, go-to places. This is Shops at Surrendra.
So it's close to Market lang?
Yeah.
Kay Surrendra man?
Actually, mas malapit siya kay Market. Kasi
Market is
dito na siya sa part dito.
Yeah.
Ito na kasi siya sa part ng, what do you call it, pupunta na ng wages ng Taguig proper.
Yeah.
So this is Shops at Surrendra, Bonifacio High Street, all the way to the Burgos Circle. Okay. Yung mga binabanggit ko yun, yung mga restaurants or mga tinatambayan sa area yan. And then up here, you'll see here the Grand Hyatt Manila Hotel and Residences. Uptown Mall of Mega World. So, lifestyle rin siya. Development or mixed-use development. May mga condo din dyan si Mega World. On this street, ito yung Kalayaan Road. that takes you to, of course, EDSA area.
Makati.
Yeah, Makati. And then, by taking the 8th Avenue, there's a particular bridge there. No? It's Kalayaan Bridge. It's a 10-minute travel time from Capitolio Pasig to BGC area. Bago yun eh, part of the infrastructure development of our government.
That's the Skyway.
Kalayaan Bridge.
Kalayaan
Like
Bridge.
Skyway. Diba ba?
It connects from Kalayaan Bridge to direct to the Laya project, right?
Malapit doon, near Laya project. And
Hindi pa pala ako tulog.
Here on this side, C5 Road, SM Aura, Market. And then, this is where ang tawag namin dito Billionaires Lane. Because why Billionaires Lane? Because this is basically the road that takes you to the area of the Forbes Park, Retail, Tasma Village, mga kumbaga nearby high-end villages in this area. In fact, yan ang target naman for Aurelia residences.
The McKinley Hill.
Manila Golf, Manila Polo Club, on this area, McKinley Hill.
The Veterans Museum where? The Veterans Museum?
American Battle Monument is here.
So the Veterans Museum somewhere there, right?
Yeah. Actually,
That's owned by the... Guess that's owned by the veterans eh. Yeah. My lolo is a war veteran.
Ayun yung kinuwento mo na.
Yeah.
So we're on the 4th Street, where the show suite is located. But the address of Aurelia Residences, or the exact location, is at the corner of McKinley Parkway, 5th Avenue, and 21st Drive. In fact, yung main entrance niya, Sir Ray, is on the area of, well, very near the entrance of American Battle Monument.
That's where we passed by a while ago, right?
Ang pinakita ni Kuya John. Because, well, that's why we show the location map of Aurelia Residences, is to really take note of the particular location of Aurelia, or where is it basically located in BGC, more on the less congested, quieter part of BGC area, no? Making it more private, exclusive. So ito, if you're going to airport later, Kuya John can take the Lotto Avenue. Going to the airport. Okay, so let's go to the scale model. Aurelia Residences is a one-tower development only but it was 3 wings. Others would be mistaking it as 3-tower. Building has a particular unit or 2 units lang siya per wing. Either your unit A or sa kabilang side, opposite lang siya. Kaya kanina nung binilang ko, di ba, all in the floor, parang 6 lang tayo. But again, the exclusivity will be on a per wing. Ganun yung exclusivity. McKinley Parkway, BC Street to BC area. And then 5th Avenue is here. Ito yung kaninang nadaanan ninyo, kabilang side. Yung may rotonda ng American Battle. So, the main entrance will be placed here because ito yung very quiet part. Walang siya sa labas.
Along the rotonda.
Yes. But, basically, itong Manila Parkway, pinigyan pa rin naman nila for pedestrian access lang. Okay? So, this is the amenity located at the 2nd floor, pero later ipakita ko larger scale mo. So, coming here, this is the main entrance, taking you to the entrance of the parking, which is ground floor, basement 1, 2, and 3. Each unit has pre-assigned parking again, depending lang dun sa unit. So, the Aurelia Residences is an all 3-bedroom unit only. So, the smallest is a deluxe, 240 square plus. And then, yung mid natin is Premier, which is around 286. Biggest natin is 328. We call it signature naman, the biggest. Okay. So, coming on this side, this is the main entrance with the rainbow canopy. Across that will be the grand foyer, which has, across that will be the spiral staircase that basically leads you to the 2nd floor amenities. Okay, so let's proceed here. Who are the design partners of Aurelia? Of course, in order to attain the highest level of luxury development, we have partnered with international design partners, starting with the architectural design. So, Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, or SOM, is the one that designed the tree leaf design of Aurelia Residences. Ang tawag dun sa design ni Particularly, the man behind the design is architect Ryan Nino. Siya yun. Ang design niya is a tree-leaf design. Well, ang objective niya, basically, ang benefit nun, expansive view of what's outside, paikot siya, hiwalay yung service area to the main, kumbaga, to the main focus of the unit, which is the living room, the bedroom, and all. So, ganun yung benefit ng design. The renowned work or the known work of SOM is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. On the other side,
What's their nationality, ma'am? The designer?
American.
American pa.
This one is Italian.
The interior.
So, this is also the same interior designer for Haraya. Her name is Francesca Muzio. I mentioned earlier na she specializes. Okay, so again, since I didn't provide you the available units for Haraya, I have to mention that currently the available units that we have, yung majority nun is on the levels of 3rd to 28th floor, which is the one that I will focus on. Kumaga low zone na yung tira natin dito sa area. Okay? So, let's start with what are the unit types per floor on a 3rd to 28th floor. So, typical unit type will be sa west wing, again, per wing tayo ha, west wing, east wing, and then south wing. Sa west wing, parehong premier yan, meaning yung middle 3-bedroom natin, which is 286 square. Okay? Normally, sa south wing at east wing, combination siya of signature, yung biggest, tsaka yung smallest, deluxe. Nahahati siya. This is the signature, this is the deluxe. Ito basically yung master bedroom ng signature. 240 square, this one is 338 square. So, ganun yung kaniyan. So, in terms of view, itong units na nandito, this is West A, this is East A, this is a signature, this is a premier. Ang view niya, Bonifacio Global City or the city lights at night. Ayan ang view niya. When you're looking at this side naman, the West B and the South A, you're looking at this one, which has a nice view of the Golf, Manila Golf Club.
Nakikita ba yung libingan ng mga bayani dyan?
Makati area, Makati building.
Libingan ng mga
Sa
bayani?
kabilang side yun, sir, dito yan. Sa deluxe unit. Deluxe unit is on this side, meaning dito yung mga smaller unit, cat 242 square. Ito naman yung view niya. American Battle Monument and Laguna Bay. Right? So those are the views. If you will ask me, it's 500,000.
So you want to move?
Aside from the com.
So it's upon reservation,
No. Ano yun? Upon first DP.
first DP.
So commission rate here is 2.25.
Ano baba rin?
Yeah, because you can see naman the price.
Grabe
Way,
no?
way different from that.
It's more difficult to find one.
Aurelia is Orius is gold.
It came from the Latin root word
Aurelia
Aureus.
amo na silingan. So
Ah.
it's
And
the
then
wife of the owner.
Aura.
Beauty.
I thought the name
So maybe the gold is really here.
Aura. The aura of gold. That's
Yeah.
the only gold. Aurelia.
Like a baby project namin. Kasi ito yung first project ni Sean Robinson's yung JV company. Second is Haraya. So sa ngayon, yun pa lang
Partner
yung
din pala
project.
with Robinson.
Sean Robinson's. The landowner here, Sean. And is Robinson.
So you're the developer.
Ganun ulit, developer siya. This is the amenity of Aurelia. It's around 5,000 square meters. So this is 3 wings that I mentioned earlier. This is the west wing, south wing, east wing. Each wing has its own lobby. And then, as I've mentioned earlier, as you go to the grand foyer, na makikita kayong grand staircase that leads to the second floor. So let's start here muna. This is south wing, where the function room is located. So it can be combined and split into 3 rooms. And if you have spillover guests, pwedeng gamitin yung alfresco veranda overlooking the pool. It can house about 200 bucks naman. Kasi Haraya kasi 150. And then, on to the next wing. This is the east wing, mga lounge areas, open boardroom, and then this one we call it clubhouse area, or basically common function area that they can also.
The south, that's a south wing ba?
East.
East?
Sorry, west, south, and then east.
Ah. So that's facing Laguna de Bay, no? The south?
Ito.
Ito ba? Ito ba nga side?
Wait. Ito yan. This one.
Okay.
This one, BGC. This one is the golf. Kasi andun yung amenity.
Golf.
Ito yung sold out. Si South at saka si West area. So this one, game room, cinema, resident cinema, male and female changing with sauna and jacuzzi, indoor play area, fully equipped gym overlooking the pool. The pool is about 40-meter pool. It also has jacuzzi, parang si Haraya. And then kiddie pool. May barbecue area tayo, if gusto mong barbecue ng mga residents, 1 and then 2. So of course, it will be surrounded by greens and gazebos. Parang Haraya din siya. Recreational lawn, multi-purpose lawn. Yoga area, jogging path, play area sa kids. And then you also have indoor play area. So that's the 5,000 square meter.
This
in
is the grand
footprint.
staircase.
That's going to be that's a spiral staircase. And then, yung swatches na nakikita nyo dyan, yung mga leathers, yung mga carpets, that was pre-selected by Francesca Muzio. That will be used in the
Francesca Muzio, an Italian interior designer.
That one?
Si Architect Lia. Si Brian.
That's
ano yan?
the architect, Mr. Lim.
Architect Brian Lee. Siya yung nag-design talaga per unit. Kasi nga, dalawa dito, dalawa rin sa kabila. It's either unit A or unit B ka. Let's go inside.
Wow.
Double door, double lift door siya. So, pwede open to, pwede rin close. Medyo
bisita.
Once you enter, you will see the living, the dining. If
Living
you're a
din.
signature and premier, may open kitchen ka or may show kitchen ka. Pero if you are
Bedroom.
getting the smallest unit here, yung deluxe, residence kitchen ka lang. Yung pagpasok dyan sa door, residence kitchen. Family kitchen.
It's wide.
Let's go. So
Malaki.
to highlight, let's go first to the balcony. Part of the design of SOM, si Skidmore Homes and Merrill, no? Normally, di ba sa column,
200 plus.
makikita kang overhead beams?
Yung area niya is
336.
336
Di ba
square
makikita mo
meters.
normally sa column yung overhead beams? Ang ginawang design ni SOM, nilagay niya sa ilalim para additional seating. Nalagay lang siya.
So grabe naman
These are the beams, yes ma'am. Lahat very functional. Hindi lang sa balcony niya makikita across all the unit. Even sa CR may parang day bed. May upstand beam.
So, mas
We call it upstand beam pag hindi overhead beam.
Mas malaki yung loggia nila dito.
Oh, correct.
Loggia.
Ito, for a signature to. So parang less 15 square to.
Yeah.
Ano? Isa-isahin ko yung kasama mga appliances.
So nice that the
So,
table
bago
of
nila finishes, white painted walls,
Mhm.
engineered oak wood and brush oil finish kapag living and bedroom, Italian porcelain pag dining, kitchen, toilet and bath. Basta lahat na nakikita niyo yan. Yan siya. Alright, so let's go here on this area at upstand beam.
Mhm.
Again, additional seating option, parang day bed din siya. Part of the living room. Di ba sa condo, usually nilalagay nila yung operable window sa gitna, no? Dito you put it on the side. Just enough light and air to come in. Kasi double glazed window tayo.
Delikado yun sa mga bata.
Hindi,
Wala,
dyan lang.
stereo no.
Ah,
Dili masod ang ulo.
Dili naman kasha.
okay.
So small lang siya, small opening lang siya. Just to allow the air. So, single door, fridge. Tapos gagano. May brand tayo. Gagano.
Is that included? The appliances.
For sure kitchen tayo kasi wala to sa deluxe, di ba? Itong open kitchen.
Ga-
Ito lang nito premier and signature. Gagano.
Gaganaw.
So,
Foyer.
Don't look, well, huwag nyo na itong isipin kasi this one will be extended here.
Okay.
So, magiging countertop siya. So, single lang tayo. Kasi ang nilagay nila dito double door. Hindi siya double door, dapat single lang. So, itong countertop i-extend nyo dito. Para lumaki. Built-in range hood, induction cooktop, single undermounted sink, and a wine fridge.
Wine.
Wine fridge. Nandito siya sa loob yung oven natin. This one is the powder room. You can check the powder room. All that you see is included in the powder room.
What you see is what you
Except the
get.
light again, the light dun sa salamin. Pero all that you see there.
Ah, malaki.
Ito yung 300 natin, no? Miss? Ito yung 300.
Yeah, this is the biggest map. We call this one residence kitchen. We don't call it
So
dirty kitchen because it's not dirty kitchen.
naka-enclose talaga.
So everything you see here is included. Let's start here. Shelves, cabinets.
Shelves, cabinet.
Itong island premier unit. Kasi lumiliit yung kitchen ni Premier. So you will see only this island countertop on a signature and deluxe room. This one, inad na lang nila para magkaroon ng additional kainan. This one, upstand beam. Ito, inad na lang nila ulit para i-connect lang nila as a seating option ulit. Shelves, cabinets is included as well as this one. This is double under-mounted sink. Meron na tayong incinerator or food grinder. Uso ngayon. Dishwasher.
First time.
Ito hindi induction na. Pag nasa family kitchen tayo, naiwan natin open. Last range tayo, ma'am. Pero more on,
Napay-view ang
may auto-shut-off system tayo.
Ang room service napay-view.
Kasi sa surrender parang pwede na ako mag-community. Okay, since we are using, mamalaki yun, sir. Parang pang mga office yung mga aircon na yan. So you have your additional storage space and that is VRV room.
For maid's room
But,
ito.
ito room, ito pa yung bedroom, ito yung toilet and bathroom.
Yeah.
Malaki.
Siya ko nung kay toilet and bathroom.
Pang dalawa lang daw yung bed. Si driver at saka si driver pa.
Yaya.
Ba't walang bathtub yung the bedrooms?
Your signature and premier, you have your family area.
Okay.
Type na type ko yung sofa na yun.
Yeah.
So kapag pag premier and signature yung kinukuha, you have your family area. Pero pag deluxe lang, as you enter the door,
Wala.
pinto-pinto lang yun to the bed.
This is the family room.
Yes. This is the first bedroom. We call it the bedroom, two-bedroom because it has two beds. So it has separate walk-in closet
Duple-
and ensuite toilet and bath.
Twin bed.
Ito most likely,
Closet.
This is the guest room. Sorry, guest
May
room.
may closet pa rin sila.
Walk-in closet, and then separate din yung ating wet area.
Oh.
Tingnan mo yung sir, videoan mo yung upstand beam dyan, yung David.
Ah, yes.
Very nice.
This is the bathroom.
So, ang window naman in this area, ganitong siya bubuksan.
Pwede siyang matulog dito after maligo.
Yeah, pwede siya.
Diba?
So, makikita niyo itong mga floor-to-ceiling window kapag signature ka. You will see this on the guest room and master bedroom. Kapag premier ka, makikita mo yung ganito sa master bed. So, kapag babalik mo siya, ganyan sa Yun yung function ng mga windows here. Sa kabilang side kasi, diba, pag For master bedroom, you have his and her closet.
Sana all.
Pero parang her lang, hers lang eh.
The his, probably the
Si
his
daw,
closet
isang kanya isang shelf.
and her.
Yan. And then you have bathtub kapag nasa master bedroom. Master bathroom. That's the only difference.
Nakagijay, isa doon nakagijay. Ang pupunit doon sa mga usual space. For additional for office.
This is theirs. This is his. Theirs. Mas maliit lang this.
So, Bonifacio Global. Oh, is M to, di ba?
SM Aura. Here.
Still lavish.
Can picture. Kasi
Yeah.
others naman would say, mahal, yung Rockwell yung mahal na doon eh. Kaya per square na si Rockwell yung kasi mas maraming opportunity to rent it out here. So, tinatanong nila, paano si Cebu? Anong plan nyo sa Cebu? Parang ganun din yung nakikita namin.
For inquiries, please email me at boholanobroker@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel Cebu Bohol Homes and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.